Like, how's it gonna be? Is it gonna be sideways or?
These future inventors are busy at work. The Buford High School students are creating prototypes of autonomous lawnmowers in their enterprise design class.
I presented the students with a problem. It was labor costs for cutting lawn and public roadways.
Students first researched the topic and sketched their designs. Then they got busy building, cutting, gluing, and painting their prototypes.
As the top, we have solar panels, and when it's not being used, these fold out to collect energy. This way it can be used later. When it's not being used, they fold in, and the top part of it is also solar panel, so it's using energy as it's moving. And the top up here is a satellite. This way it knows where it's going and where things are. And on the side here, we have a arm which pulls weeds when there are weeds detected, which we use the satellite for. On this side, we have a trimmer which can be used to be at 90 degrees to cut off the curb. This way grass isn't going over the curb or on your sidewalks. Or it can go 180 degrees and trim it.
In the inside, we have the grabber, which grabs all the weed out of the ground. And this is the water, and this is the fertilizer, and this is the garbage disposal. So when it grabs all the garbage, it goes in here.
This project-based assignment is designed to challenge the students' creativity as they learn about the invention process and business skills throughout the semester.
I wanted them to learn team building, collaboration skills. They learned the 7 steps I wanted them to learn about the invention process. And a lot of the assignments coming after this, they will create their own problems and figure out what their own solutions are.
When their inventions are finished, students will present their prototypes to the class. At Buford High School, Ron Lopes, Buford County School District.